Pen and I will start lecture 4. Sponsor. According to the ICHGCP, sponsor is responsible for initiating, managing, and financing a clinical trial. Sponsors may include pharmaceutical companies, hospitals, or individual physicians. Their responsibilities span protocol development, ensuring scientifically sound protocol is crafted by clinical and medical teams. Data management, organizing tools and processes for accurate data collection. Regularity compliance, submitting approval documents via regularities affairs. Site and investigator management, selecting and preparing trial sites. Drug supply, delivering investigational products to the sites. Sponsors rely on multidisciplinary teams to ensure trial quality, patient safety, and data reliability. Project management ensures the trial objectives, timelines, and the budgets are aligned. Involves the planning, organizing, executing, and monitoring tasks. Key standards include PMIs, POK, ICO 2100, or we can say 21500, Agile, and Six Sigma. Focuses on generating high quality data, ensuring patient safety, and meeting regularity requirements. Clinical trial timelines is typically span from 4 to 6 years. Budgets can reach hundreds of millions. Effective project management balances complex demands for successful outcomes and advancing healthcare. Project definition, it's ICO 21500. A project is a unique, coordinated set of activities with a defined start and end dates aimed at achieving specific objectives with finite resources. Life cycle phases, concept and definition, protocol development and preparation up to 1 year. Launch and execution, conduct phase with the patient visit 6 months to the 6 years. Closure, preparation of a clinical study report. Cost of changes, modification during planning are less costly while the changes during execution, for example regularity reapproval, incur high cost and delays, highlighting the importance of thorough planning. Time and budget planning in project management. Task breakdown, divide the project into manageable subtasks and sub-subtasks for clarity and control, balancing granularity to avoid the insufficiencies or challenges in oversight. Gantt charts visualize task, duration, dependencies, and relationship. A Gantt chart helps identify the critical path which dedicates the overall project timelines. Delayed in a critical task directly impact the completion date. Agile planning in dynamic projects, agile methods use iterative cycles, sprints to continuously assess and adjust. Priorities offering flexibility while maintaining structure for complex scenarios. Teamwork in project management, matrix organization. Team members work across multiple projects, reporting to both functional and the project managers, ensuring resources, flexibility, and specialized expertise. Communication tools, standardized meeting with the structures, agents, and detailed minutes help keep stakeholders aligned. RACI, which R responsibility, A accountability, C consulted, I informed, defines the rules, responsibilities, individuals who complete the tasks, accountability, person answerable for task outcome, consulted, those who input is recovered, informed, the stakeholders kept up to date. Plans for critical trials, quality management plan ensure regularity and quality compliance, risk management plan identifies and mitigates risk, data management plan defines the procedures for data handling, quality control and assurance, use of a quality management system to maintain high standards throughout the project. This structure approaches improves coordination and ensure project access. Risk planning. Risk is the effect of uncertainty on objects encompassing both threats negatives or opportunities positive. Risk management strategies: avoiding risk, changing plans to eliminate the risk, reducing risk, implementing measures to lower the risk, sharing risk, distributing risk through partnership or insurance, returning risk, accepting risk when mitigation costs are higher than the potential impact. Risk management plan process: risk identification using tools like SWOT analysis, risk analysis, assessing likelihood and impact, creating a risk matrix, risk mitigation, developing strategies for each risk, monitoring, continuously tracking risk and mitigation's effectiveness. This structured approach helps ensure project success, particularly in clinical trials where safety, data integrity, and compliance are crucial. Change management involves managing stakeholders effectively to ensure smooth project execution, particularly in complex or organizational change project. The structure's approach includes identification, recognize all stakeholders who may influence or be affected by the project, assessment, analyze stakeholders' interest, power, and stance, support, oppose, or indifferent, planning, develop strategies to engage stakeholders including communication plans and actions to gain support, implementation, actively engage the stakeholders according to the plan, feedback and control, monitor management, and adjust the strategies for continuous alignment with the project goals. By managing stakeholders, the project managers can reduce resistance, increase support, and ensure successful outcome. And by this, we end the last lecture. Thank you so much.